Ang buhay ay parang isang road trip adventure na hawak ng Diyos. Minsan smooth at maganda ang daan, parang lahat ay naka-align sa plano niya. Minsan naman rough roads ang dadaanan, may pagsubok, may sakit, may luha, at may mga tanong kung bakit. Pero no matter how smooth or rough the roads ahead may be, tandaan mo ito. Hindi ka naglalakbay mag-isa. May Diyos na gumagabay sa bawat liko, sa bawat paghinto, at bawat hakbang mo pasulong. Ang mahalaga ay patuloy kang magtiwala at mag-move forward kahit hindi pa malinaw ang daan. Because every journey is part of His purpose, and every delay or detour has a reason. Learn to appreciate the journey dahil doon ka niya hinuhubog. So when you finally reach your destination, you'll realize it was not just about where you arrived, but who you became along the way by His grace.